Welcome to our documentary on how to be rich. In this video, we will explore the different strategies and tactics that can help you achieve financial success. From saving and investing to starting your own business, we'll take a closer look at what it takes to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Segment 1: Saving and Investing. The first step to building wealth is to save a significant portion of your income and invest it wisely. This can include investing in a diverse range of stocks, bonds, and real estate.
I always make sure to save at least 20% of my income each month. I then invest that money in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. By diversifying my investments, I'm able to minimize my risk and maximize my returns.
One of the key concepts to investing is to start early. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And with the power of compound interest, your savings can grow exponentially over time.
I wish I had started investing in my 20s. But it's never too late to start. I'm in my 40s now, and I've still seen my investments grow significantly. The important thing is to just start.
Segment 2: Starting a business. Starting your own business can be a great way to increase your income and build wealth. It's important to have a solid business plan and to be willing to take calculated risks.
I always had a passion for fashion, so I decided to start my own clothing line. It was a lot of hard work, but it's been worth it. I now have a successful business that generates a steady income.
Yes, starting a business can be risky, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. And with the rise of the gig economy and online marketplaces, it's easier than ever to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Segment 3: Networking. Building a strong network of contacts can open up new opportunities for business and investment.
Networking has been key to my success. I've met so many people through networking events and online communities, and many of those connections have led to new business opportunities and investments.
Networking is about more than just meeting people. It's about building genuine relationships and creating value for others. And when you do that, the opportunities will come. Segment 4: Being frugal and budgeting. By living below your means and budgeting effectively, you can save money that can be invested to grow wealth.
I've always been a saver. I don't spend money on unnecessary luxuries, and I make sure to budget for all of my expenses. By being frugal, I've been able to save a significant amount of money that I've invested to grow my wealth.
Of course, living frugally doesn't mean you have to sacrifice everything you enjoy. It's about finding balance and being mindful of your spending. By budgeting effectively, you can make sure your money is being used to achieve your financial goals. Segment 5: Education and Learning. Continuously educating yourself and learning new skills can open up new opportunities for career advancement, which can lead to an increase in income and wealth. It's important to remember that wealth building is a process that requires patience, discipline, and hard work. It's important to take financial advice from a financial advisor or professional to understand your specific situation and what options are best for you. It's also important to remember that past performance does not guarantee future results, and that investing always carries a risk of loss. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you in the next videos.